everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can decorate a book bag so that you can send your daughter back to school looking like a boss on a budget.
Stay tuned. And a ruler. A book bag.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece because we want to put a big reversible sequin letter here, just like all the book bags that we see at the mall. And we're going to take this labeling off here because we don't need that.
Here's what it looks like so far. We took the tag off and this other stuff off.
Next we want to put our letter here. So we're going to use the letter L for Lily. And we are using this sequin fabric that you can get at your local fabric store for $1 million.
Turn up, turn up!
Here's our pattern. So after you have your pattern, whether you printed it off or whatever, you want to keep in mind which way your sequins are going. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to glue this down onto here. I'm going to trace it out so we have a nice little outline, just like the Justice bag. And then Lily's going to cut it out.
So now we're going to hot glue it
on. Alright, so next I ordered these patches off of Amazon. If you're interested, I will leave the link in the description box below to where you can find these or patches similar. And we're just going to go through them now and pick out the patches that we want and the patches that we don't want. And then I'm going to have Lily place them on her book bag in the places that she wants them to go using the pin, so we can get a feel for how it's going to look before we glue everything down.
So this is my brother Devin, and he's going to be helping me finish up my backpack.
Hi, I'm going to be helping my sister Lily out with her book bag. So, let's get started.